Currently there is only 24% chance for one cut, minimum possible size 25, and you can see just 24 is still gold trading above 4700. So you can imagine when first rate cut, lowest possible size 25 basis point, when 100% pricing complete, one cut fully priced in, an entire rate cut cycle begin again. You can imagine where gold will be trading that time. I can say when entire rate cut pricing return again, after 100% chance of first cut, gold will be trading outside the range. For sure I can say it will be trading near 6k. And this is the reason for last few weeks, gold is only going up and up. It is doing a small correction, but compared to price line, it is not doing a major correction. People are buying gold, but they are not selling and they are not even taking profit. And this is the time when entire crowd is selling gold all the time from bottom to top. So top to bottom, after ABC flat correction, after parallel channel, after C wave 100% projection, top to bottom 50% correction complete. And after that, gold is sideways. Because all the economic indicator, what we saw CPI last Friday, what we will see PPI this week, I think it was PPI which triggered gold crash, not FOMC, not Iran war. I think hot PPI that was biggest reason gold crash, and it made new low near 4100. So same PPI coming again this week. That is not main part. So before you ask 5k area will break out or not, but I am saying once range break out, gold will be trading near 6k. Not just one possible rate cut, lowest possible size. Once rate cut start, market will start pricing an entire cut cycle. And this is just for 2026. We are not talking about how many cut we will see next year 2027. So you can imagine when market move from 24% to 100% and all the cut pricing for next year 2027, imagine gold can clearly break out 5k area. So this is the reason it is going up and up for last few weeks, no major correction, because buyer buy, they hold that position. So all of those indicators, CPI, previously we saw NFP that was very hot, entire week you saw no effect in gold. Like NFP have no effect on gold. Very hot, clear, positive number is still gold going up. So CPI positive and in flying mode, NFP positive, clearly no recession. It is like economy is re-accelerating. But PPI will do this week, I don't know. But last time PPI number was very hot. So inflation indicator recently, CPI, job indicator recently, NFP, they all saying nobody need a rate cut. But still everyone know under Trump pressure there will be political rate cut. They will find a reason, but Kevin Warsh will be doing rate cut. You have PPI this week on Tuesday, but most important part after 18 April, this is last week, FOMC blackout will begin. And once we have FOMC blackout, that will be last FOMC of Powell. They pause or cut, it does not matter. Soon Powell will be history. But next Fed chair, future, Kevin Warsh, under Trump pressure, they will be doing political cut. And once 5k area clearly break out, this trend line, this upper trend line of a channel, this top to bottom 50% retracement, everything will break out at the same time. And that will be the time when lowest possible cut size, only one cut, that pricing move from 24 to 100%. It does not matter CPI fly or not. It does not matter NFP positive or negative. They always want rate cut and they will find a reason to justify their rate cut. So 5k area, big static resistance zone, psychological, and before it break out that area, it is doing new sideways range, new correction. And you can see RSI, that was total reset of technical. Technically gold has so much room, it can easily break out range and it can trade near 6k area. So intraday H4 going up in clear uptrend, higher high with higher low, almost everything failing, CPI, higher oil price, almost every week you have new war news, and that hot strong NFP, you can see entire last week no effect in gold. So after 5 babe down, price is going up again and it is doing new sideways range near 4800 area, but downside 4600 support. If it dip, you trade with bullish bias below 4600, you can buy gold. Upside target, that is 5k area, and once first cut pricing move, currently 24% up to 100%, very easily gold will break out 5k area. Because we have to wait the timing when Kevin Warsh become fat chair. So traders are waiting for time. You have two level 4600 clear static support level. Intraday it is strong support, breakout, test, and clearly holding out this area, and upside 5k area. So that is big psychological level. After that sentiment will change, and before that bears already changing. Even if you see weekly time frame, you can see RSI big collapse like total reset. So technical are ready, like gold go back into bubble mode. And last 3 weeks you can see green candlestick. Every week gold is going up, crowd is selling, and big hedge fund are buying gold. Similar condition on monthly time frame. Currently monthly candlestick are doing sideways range. This election cycle will repeat same to same. Bearish trend in gold start in March month. We saw March biggest crash and continue until September month. So cycle will continue same to same for election cycle, or this time pattern will change. But everything depends on Kevin Warsh. Once he become fat chair, he will be doing political rate cut. So back to gold daily chart. This trend line, this parallel channel, and this top to bottom 50% favorite retracement. So psychologically focus only on $5,000 area. Downside, if it make correction, then 4600 can be support. On this range between 5000 and 4600, you have to trade like a sideways range with bias for upside breakup. Because most important part is first cut, lowest possible size can be 25 basis point. 100% pricing is not complete. Once it complete, gold will be breaking above 5k. Most important part is nobody saying how much they will cut next year 2027. And once that pricing also begin, not just breakout, gold can easily sustain our 5k area. So 4600 is not visible on daily, but intraday big static support. 5k visible almost on all time frame, but these two level, even intraday H1 you can see 4600. You can see this is a big static horizontal support level. Recently price have tested this area multiple times as a support and is still holding. So it is making new sideways range above 4600 area, and once range complete breakout count upside, it will be testing 5k area. But wave structure you can see, it is not impulsive wave, these are corrective wave structure. Once wave structure complete, we will use extension how high our 5k area, but before that 4600 big static horizontal support, mostly on intraday H1 and H4, upside 5k, that is visible almost everywhere daily and H1. For more clarity you can see you have clear static support level, but upside if you see as a number, not psychological level, I think it will be 5030 area, and price has tested this area as a support or as a resistance multiple times. So rate cut totally controlled by Trump, because he control Iran war, which control oil price, and once oil price fall, easily rate cut pricing will return. Also explain this thing in Telegram channel. You can see gold and SP 500 both are moving at the same time, different asset class, different price action, but both made bottom at the same time. It was going only up, and stock market was making a head and shoulder chart pattern. So this is not technical bounce, this is not oversold condition bounce, this is rate cut pricing. It is just a beginning, and it confirmed because stock market and gold both are moving at the same time.